Dream Destiny destinations. Explore the world beyond borders. Discover history, nature, and unforgettable journeys.
Darkness lingers over Lake Tanganyika, but dawn's first glow begins to break the spell. The air is cool and still, carrying the faint scent of water and earth. In these quiet moments, the world seems to hold its breath, waiting for the day to begin. The lake, ancient and immense, mirrors the last stars as fishermen in slender pirogues pull in their nets. Their movements are practiced and silent, shaped by generations who have relied on these waters for sustenance and survival. Silence reigns, broken only by the gentle lap of water and a distant bird's call. The fishermen's voices are hushed, blending with the soft sounds of nature as they work in harmony with the lake. Suddenly, the sun crests the hills, igniting the water in gold and fire. The sky explodes with color, painting the lake and the land in brilliant hues that signal the arrival of a new day. Light races across the lake, revealing green hills and villages along the shore. The world awakens as the first rays touch the land, and life stirs in every corner. This is Burundi's daily miracle, a sunrise that ties life to the rhythms of the lake. Each morning, people gather by the water, ready to greet the day, and continue traditions passed down through generations. Here, every dawn is a promise, a testament to resilience and deep connection with nature. The lake is not just a backdrop, but a lifeline, shaping the hopes and dreams of those who live along its shores. Burundi, often overlooked, holds secrets as vast as the lake itself. Its people are shaped by the water's ebb and flow, their lives woven into the fabric of the landscape. Life here is shaped by ancient traditions and the cycles of sun and water. Every day the lake provides, sustains, and inspires, connecting past and present in a continuous story. Each sunrise is more than a new day. It's an introduction to the soul of a nation. The beauty of the landscape is matched only by the strength and spirit of its people. In the heart of Africa's Great Lakes, Burundi's story is as deep as its waters. The lake is a witness to history, a keeper of memories and a source of endless inspiration. Ancient customs endure, landscapes shape lives, and every morning feels like a new beginning. The promise of the sunrise is felt in every heart, echoing through the hills and across the water. This is Burundi, the hidden heart of East Africa, waiting to be discovered, where every dawn brings hope, and the lake's first light reveals the enduring spirit of its people. Burundi, a small landlocked nation, sits quietly among giants, Rwanda, Tanzania, and the Democratic Republic of the Congo. Though it may seem modest in size, its presence is felt in the heart of Africa, nestled at the crossroads of cultures and histories. Its landscape is a cascade of green hills, terraced farms, and winding dirt roads connecting vibrant villages. These hills are alive with the rhythms of daily life, where farmers tend their crops and children walk to school along dusty paths. The air is fresh, scented with eucalyptus and rich soil, and the climate is gentle, sustained by 2 rainy seasons. Morning mists roll over the hills, nourishing the land and painting the countryside in soft, shifting light. Lake Tanganyika dominates the west, its clear waters teeming with unique fish and forming a natural border. The lake's vastness is a constant presence, shaping the lives of those who live along its shores. The lake is lifeblood, providing food, transport, and beauty. Fishermen cast their nets at dawn, and boats glide across the water, carrying goods and stories between communities. Its untouched beaches offer serenity, while the hills have sheltered kingdoms and nurtured agriculture. Here, tradition and nature intertwine, shaping the identity of the people. Burundi's geography shapes its people, resilient, connected, and deeply rooted in the land. Generations have learned to adapt, drawing strength from the earth and from each other. The hills and lake are more than scenery. They are the foundation of Burundian life. Every day they provide sustenance, inspiration, and a sense of belonging. To understand Burundi is to know its landscape, its crossroads, and its quiet drama. The land itself is a silent witness to centuries of change and continuity. Every vista tells a story of survival and community, where the spirit of Burundi endures in every sunrise and every shared journey across its hills and waters. Burundi's spirit is rooted in its royal past. For centuries, the Mwami, king and spiritual leader, united the people through tradition and ritual. The monarchy resisted colonial encroachment, its court a center of culture and power. Though the kingdom ended in the 20th century, its legacy endures in stories, customs, and national pride. Tales of legendary kings like Ntare Rushatsi are still told, shaping identity and heritage. The monarchy's spirit lives on in respect for elders and enduring social customs. Burundi's royal past beats quietly within its modern heart. The royal drummers of Burundi are living symbols of a sacred tradition. Their karienda drums once embodied the monarchy's power and the nation's heartbeat. Dressed in vibrant colors, the drummers perform with athletic grace, blending music and dance. The performance begins with a procession, drums balanced on heads, voices raised in chant. Thunderous rhythms build, each drummer weaving a part of a powerful, polyrhythmic symphony. The central drum, symbolizing the king, remains sacred and mostly untouched. Today, the drummers are cultural ambassadors, recognized by UNESCO for their heritage. Their art bridges past and present, celebrating resilience and unity. Even as times change, the beat of the karienda remains Burundi's true heartbeat. Some traditions like this can never be silenced. Burundi's hills are dotted with sanctuaries, cathedrals and humble churches, blending ancient beliefs with Christianity. Majestic cathedrals rise from the countryside, their spires visible for miles, serving as vibrant centers of faith. Smaller churches built from mud bricks pulse with joyous singing and community spirit. These buildings are the heart of village life, places for celebration, mourning, and unity. Traditional homes or rugo built from wood and clay remain symbols of harmony with the land. Though modern houses are replacing them, the rugo endures as a link to Burundi's spiritual roots. Here, faith and tradition coexist, shaping the nation's soul. Most Burundians live in the countryside, their days shaped by the land's steady rhythm. Life here moves to the gentle pace of nature, where each sunrise marks a new beginning and every sunset closes a chapter of hard work and togetherness. Dawn brings the sounds of roosters, cattle, and children as families begin their work. The village stirs to life with laughter, greetings, and the soft shuffle of feet on dusty paths. Women fetch water from distant wells, balancing heavy jugs with practiced grace, while men prepare tools for the day's labor. Fields become a patchwork of small farms, each one tended with care and pride. Beans, corn, cassava, and plantains fill dinner tables, nourishing families after long days. Coffee and tea, grown on the lush volcanic slopes, connect Burundi to the world beyond its borders, bringing both pride and opportunity. Rural roads bustle with children heading to school, their uniforms bright against the earth, and markets alive with color and commerce where neighbors meet and stories are exchanged. Education is prized, seen as a path to a brighter future, and markets are hubs of trade, laughter, and community spirit. Life is hard, labor is constant, and nature's whims are ever present. Yet, resilience and hope run deep, as families work side by side through both drought and rain. Yet, deep bonds and shared traditions sustain these communities. Meals, music, and celebrations bring people together, weaving a fabric of unity and belonging. People work, celebrate, and support each other, rooted in the land they cultivate. Every season, every harvest, is shared, both the burdens and the joys. The rhythm of rural life is the nation's pulse, echoing in every field and every home. Farming, family, and community form the foundation of Burundi, shaping its identity and future. This enduring rhythm sustains the country, carrying its people forward with hope, strength, and unity. Sharing a meal in Burundi is tasting its landscape and culture. The cuisine is simple and hearty, Beans and starchy bananas are staples, nourishing and sustaining. Plantains are boiled or mashed, paired with rich bean stews for a nutritious meal. Lake Tanganyika's fish, especially in Dagala, are sun-dried or fried, while larger catches are grilled simply to highlight their freshness. Cassava leaves, avocados, and tomatoes add color and flavor. Grilled goat brochettes are a special treat, and homemade banana beer, or wagwa, is central to celebrations. Meals reflect the land's bounty and the people's resourcefulness. Burundian food is honest, unpretentious, and deeply connected to its agricultural heart. Every bite tells the story of a nation in harmony with its environment. Bujumbura, on Lake Tanganyika's shore, is Burundi's vibrant modern face. The city pulses with energy. Motorcycle taxis, music, and lively markets fill the streets. Colonial-era buildings stand beside new offices and apartments, reflecting a city in transition. Markets bustle, while lakeside beaches offer peace just minutes away. Cafes and restaurants blend tradition with modernity, serving local dishes and global flavors. Bujumbura's youth drive its renaissance. Entrepreneurs, students, artists, and musicians shape a new identity. Connected to the world through technology, they bring fresh ideas and optimism. After hardship, the city is alive with hope and growth. New projects rise, visitors return, and the city spirit is irrepressible. Bujumbura is the dynamic heart of a nation looking forward. Burundi's beauty lies in its living culture and resilient people. For those who look beyond the headlines, it offers an authentic African experience. Tradition here is woven into daily life, not performed for show. The royal drums, bustling markets, and simple meals reveal the nation's soul. Burundi's greatness is measured in heritage, community, and hope. Its story of kings, drums, hills, and survival echoes in every heartbeat. The drum's beat is a call to remember, to celebrate, and to listen. Within that rhythm, Burundi's unbreakable spirit endures, the secret heart of Africa.
Thank you for traveling with Dream Destiny Destinations. Subscribe, and let the next adventure begin. See you in the next journey.